Huawei is pushing the boundaries of foldable technology with its latest innovation, the Mate XT Ultimate Design. This triple-foldable smartphone has already garnered 3 million pre-orders before its official release, capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts and experts worldwide. Foldable smartphones have come a long way since Huawei introduced the Mate X in 2019, transforming from a niche concept to a mainstream product. The Mate XT takes this evolution a step further, offering users unprecedented flexibility with single, dual, and triple screen modes. This device combines the functionality of a smartphone, tablet, and PC, making it a game-changer in the mobile industry. Huawei's journey to this breakthrough began 5 years ago, with the goal of creating a commercially viable triple-foldable device. Unlike earlier prototypes showcased at events like CES and MWC, the Mate XT is designed for real-world use, balancing portability with a larger display. Its success has even influenced competitors, with Samsung reportedly working on its own trifold device, and Apple expected to enter the foldable market soon. Industry experts believe the Mate XT will drive further innovation in hardware and software, shaping the future of mobile technology. With its sleek design and cutting-edge features, the Mate XT is set to redefine what's possible in the smartphone ecosystem. What do you think about Huawei's triple-foldable smartphone? Are you excited about the future of foldable devices? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates from TechVerse. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.